After last week's adventure in Miami and Key Biscayne, we headed a little further south to Key Largo to spend the day at the top of the Florida Keys. Our first stop was John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park for a glass bottom boat tour.
Pennekamp extends 3 miles out into the Atlantic Ocean, protecting an area of the reef off the coast of the Florida Keys. Because of the unique sea life in the area, this park is popular for snorkeling and scuba divers.
Because of our short visit, and we aren't yet scuba certified, maybe one day, we opted to see the reef by glass bottom boat.
On board today, first things first, this is a dry tour. Nobody will be getting in the water. And if anybody gets in the water, we sort of have an issue today. Our expected sea conditions out there, we're expecting 4 to 5 foot waves. I'm 5'4" to give you an idea, that's what we're rolling over. If you are prone to motion sickness, please take something now. If you do not have anything, we have Dramamine on board. Ask as soon as you get on. Alrighty guys, are you ready?
Yeah!
Alright, let's get you on board. We don't have to wear these today, but we do need to know where they are and how to put them on. We're going to go ahead and locate the D-ring up front. Unhook that strap and let it fall down. You'll then open it on up and place it over your head. Relocate that strap.
You didn't decide that the grate was bothering you?
Oh, I didn't even know that. What?
You didn't decide that grate was bothering you?
I'm not paying attention to it. But thank you. I was ignoring it.
Oh, okay.
I knew it. I knew you were going to do that.
We boarded the Spirit of Pennekamp on what seemed like a good day for boating, but once we cleared the channel and headed into the Atlantic, the waves really began to pick up.
Once we reached the reef, a park naturalist shared a ton of information about the reef and the fish that call it home. She described the ways that the park helps protect the reef while still allowing opportunities for visitors to visit and learn more about the reef.
Unfortunately, by the time we'd reached the reef, we were both feeling pretty seasick, and Jeremy got the worst of it. Luckily, the crew was well prepared with bags and Dramamine. Our tip is that if they warn you about rough seas, you should believe them.
Our next stop, back on land, was to visit Betsy the Lobster. Outside of the southernmost point, this is the most photographed spot in the Florida Keys. She's over 30 feet tall, and she's believed to be the world's largest lobster statue, and it took the artist over 5 years to complete. And we couldn't leave the Keys without a little key lime pie.
On our last stop for the day, we headed to the History of Diving Museum. The museum's exhibits include a collection of vintage underwater diving equipment and an impressive collection of diving helmets from around the globe.
On next week's video, we head to the Everglades and visit Shark Valley.
Tune in to see just how many sharks we saw.
Spoiler alert, it's 0.